Being honest and wholehearted, pioneering and innovating, committed to continuously improve the user's experience, continuously create value for customers, and protecting food safety and quality of industrial products. Anhui RealTech Machinery Company Limited is one of China's national high-tech enterprise that integrate R&D, production and sales of color sorters and intelligent detection machines. The company's headquarters is located in Hefei City, the National Science and Technology Innovation Center City of China, based on the cooperation with ASC, Anhui University and Hefei Institute of Material Science of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, etc. RealTech has been exploring the algorithms of visual detection and elimination, and overcoming the technical difficulties of rejection ratio and machine stability. RealTech has launched series of competitive products in the industry. We are constantly engaged in R&D, production and sales of color sorting machines. Our machines have the advantages of wide spectrum, co-focus identification system and HD imaging capture and target accurate rejection. We have launched multifunction belt-type sorters, multifunction water-resistant color sorters, and multifunction chute-type color sorters, which are widely used for rice, cereal, coffee beans, Chinese medicine, or plastics, etc., with high sorting accuracy and low carry-over. Our machines are very popular among our users. Our products are exported to the United States, Japan, UK, South Korea, Peru, Bulgaria, Taiwan, Hong Kong and other countries and regions, received the support and trust of many domestic and foreign customers. In the future, we will insist on creation leading, continuously improve the quality and stability of our products, achieve functional upgrade, and create more value for more users. We have an after-sales service covering more than 30 provinces and regions across China and one foreign technical support team with capabilities of English and Spanish communication, which can provide reliable service to our customers worldwide. RealTech is your reliable choice. It is a good fortune for you and can continuously create values for you.